Hello, my name is Rahul Rathod. I'm current BTech undergraduate, recent pass out computer science student. I have built an app which will recommend businesses to the users. I want to categorize in three parts. First is user perspective. No location tracking, no privacy issue. We don't store any data which is created on the platform. So it will be on the fly personalization with session management of your chat application and location, whatever we will collect just for the algorithmic process, but not more than that. We will take the location, pre-process it for the recommendation, and we will leave it. We don't store it. So it is just like a generative large language model which you often use nowadays. It is common. So rather than a new kind of intelligence, I assume it a new automotive automation layer, which is every company needs, but not more than that, the hype. So you can ask any question, maybe personal, professional, or you can share your problem who businesses can solve. There are service providers on the platform who can help you. Second is businesses. Businesses, you are maybe local, but for now, I don't tell you to go for local because local you need more adaptation of the application. But whether you are online service provider like a tech solutions or agency or marketing or any profession, maybe medical doctor or anything, if you want to go to the online, so you can come on the platform. You can register by filling some of the details which will be used for the recommendation purpose. So after sharing the details, you will have to pay some sort of payment for the platform, which is very less for monthly, and you will get a business dashboard where you can see how many people got recommended your services, what are the queries which led you to be recommended to them, what are the impressions, how many people clicked on your website, your contact number or email ID. So you can see each and every analytics here. So I'm dropping the video link in the description. You can check out the demo video. And the third one is from my perspective. I know I can build a lot more complex system, but for the easy adaptation and it is simple application, yet powerful for the niche based user. And suppose any user is asking for any problem right now, for example, you can say I want to apply for a scholarship, but I don't know anyone. But then the system will identify if you want recommendation. If there is a computer shop nearby your location, then it will recommend to you. And if there is a someone service provider, it will recommend to you. So you can go for online services. So it is just a basic application, but powerful application. The interest why I built it is a recent my interest in the large language model technology, which is a current and my type of technology, I would say. But after like going through the hype and understanding what is going on, I'm not a PhD in machine learning or artificial intelligence, deep learning, but yet I know out of my curiosity, I am exploring this technology, and after I can find out large language models are basically a probabilistic token predictor. So in essence, they can get understanding of the concept. Like I believe in the human, we have the adaptive intelligence, which is kind of if we stuck on any problem, and we have the domain level knowledge. Like for example, there are concepts of, for example, we can take mathematics. If we have the data from first standard to the PhD level, it is almost done. So what I can think of intelligence is When we train a model of based on whole concepts, it has to understand and understand the logics behind the problems and solution. Based on those, it can like abstract the meaning, it can capture the meaning, and then it will apply some actions, and then it has to predict the solution, which may be logical structure. So I, from this interest, I just mapped out some architectures. It is based on the transformer, but somewhat how I can think of a transformer and this scaling brute force method. More data, more compute will lead to the AGI, some sort of like it is kind of a coin structure, head or tail structure. In that second point of view, I think after a time where large language models will understand every patterns, and so it will form a basically become a world model after scaling. But we don't know how much data and how much compute it needs to get to the final point where it knows everything. So I mapped some, like out of my curiosity, I mapped out some architectures, which is basically a modifications in the transformer level. So apart from it is not a GPT, but you can say a world model architecture. So I want to experiment all of this. So for the experimentation and building, I need a investment. But I want to clear one point. If I'm wrong, lot of VCs and investors invest in startups, and not every their investment will recover everything. So it is 1/10 chance. But in my also, if you trust on me and invest in me, maybe possibly I can build the Asia before the America. And if I'm not right, you may lose some. But if I am right, you will get the future opportunity of our multi-billion-dollar. It is $1 trillion opportunity. So currently, I want to work on the text-based world model. If you are interested in the investment opportunity, please email me at rahulrathod9740 at gmail.com. Thank you.